Hi, I'm Aisha. You are watching Educational Hub. Statement of Purpose is the most important document, essay required for admission in universities. All overseas scholarships in colleges, universities require a statement of purpose to be submitted along with a scholarship application form. It briefly gives an insight into students' life, interests, strengths, aims at the specific institute and future goals. A strong statement of purpose should have a positive and confident tone with concise writing. A statement of purpose should be one page and only one page. First, we need to understand, what is a statement of purpose? A statement of purpose, also known as a research statement or a letter of intent, is written to the admission panel and talks about your career path, interests, professional contributions, goals and the driving force behind pursuing a particular program. Okay, what should be included in the statement of purpose? There are several elements that are vital for your statement of purpose. These include your personal background, financial background, academic details, professional experience, full, part-time, voluntary, immediate and long-term goals, reasons why you wish to study at this particular institution, reasons of being interested in the chosen field, about extracurricular activities, published works, if any, papers submitted, if any, interests, hobbies. Next question is, why is the statement of purpose important? The statement of purpose is the decision maker of your application. It helps the admission committee assess your take on life, your career goals, beliefs, subject knowledge, and your vision. In short, a well-written SOP paints your overall personality for the universities. Okay, going to main topic. How to write a statement of purpose for scholarships. A perfect statement of purpose should address 5 points. 1. Brief introduction of academic background. A student should introduce himself/herself by a brief description of academic background and current interests and goals. 2. Highlight of strengths. A student should highlight strength by a brief description of his/her conducted research work, paper or thesis projects and any relevant work experience. 3. Academic research experience relevant to a specific university program. The student should briefly describe any relevant experience. It can be internships, projects, or any job experience relevant to the institute in which the student intends to apply for further studies. This will show that the student has a clear understanding of what the program is about and its prospects. 4. Present goals at specific university program. Students should describe current goals to study in the graduate school of the specific university program. Current goals should be strong enough to convince the faculty that you understand the scope of research in their department and research. 5. Future goals. At last, the student should briefly describe his/her long-term career goals. For example, the next step after graduation may be to become a manager in any company, but future target goal may be to become CEO of a company. The admissions committee prefers to select students that have a long-term vision related to the program. Statement of purpose should end statement in a positive and strong manner indicating student excitement and eagerness for the challenges ahead. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe my channel for more informative videos.